Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is April 20th, 2026. And we just finished doing a lot of testing on our last two bridge upgrades that happened last week. And we're getting ready to do another round of testing maybe this week. And honestly, just also talking to our community of making sure that everybody is ready for the big transition. Basically all that we've been doing this year, and the guys have been doing an amazing job. We've done a lot of upgrades. Our security is at the top of our priorities, and we've just been making sure that this transition would go well. The transition that I'm talking about is basically moving the rewards from legacy Tellor to Tellor to the branch so that we can turn on minting. Obviously everybody knows what happened this weekend with Kelp DAO and Layer 0. So obviously everybody's on edge, but we have been, very diligent, and we're going to continue to be being very diligent with our security. So this week we'll continue to, make sure that everything's going to be as smooth as possible for the transition. But with that, let's get started on what we're up to this week. Spotty.
Hey, so at the end of last week, we had a reporter release, the Layer Daemons version 0.1.8 to fix some gas retrying issues that people were having. One of the only complaints in life I have is that the binaries didn't build when I made the release, and I don't know why. So if anybody on the call knows how to fix that, let me know.
And
I'm
that's
almost.
right.
What's up?
That's on GitHub.
Yeah, the release is there, but you have to build it yourself at the moment because the binaries didn't build.
Okay.
The tag, I mean. And then I'm setting up a super secret matrix server for us. Stay tuned. And there's a query. I don't know which one of my monitors is sent. I'm getting an error on the RPC that I'm using for one of my monitors that I want to fix today. Alchemy blocked my account, which is not a big deal, but I don't know what Alchemy. I know you're listening. Why did you do that?
Are they rate limiting you, or are they blocking you?
When I try to log in with the email address that I was logged in with, it's like access denied. It's like, okay.
All right. Well then, reach out to them.
I am reaching out right now. I'm mad at you, Alchemy. But yeah, so there's just a lot to do, and I'm gonna keep doing.
All right, Caleb.
Just a little bit more on that new reporter fix. There is a new flag to set for those using it. I forget the exact. But the flag is about resetting the gas things and how frequently you want that to happen. So essentially now you've started a default gas adjustment, and if you ever fail from an out of gas error, it just automatically boosts that up. So you are going to be spending more on gas during that time. However, if you want it to reset frequently, I had it set to like every 30 minutes. It was resetting back to the default, and we're seeing no issues there. With reporter liveness, we're still at like 99.7%. So still looking good there. And then outside of that, this week, I'm going to be resetting storage on some of my validators so that they are ready to go for all this stuff that's coming. And yeah, just a lot of testing. Going to be trying to tighten up security with all the things that happened this last weekend. Yeah.
Thanks, Caleb. Dan.
Yeah, I've been chipping away at the audits. The repo's in the Tellor organization. It's public. Yeah, so improving that, and I guess we'll see what it can find about our nodes, maybe our
Thanks.
processes.
Yeah, thanks, Dan. Ryan.
Yeah, we went through a code review last week on the pool oracle. We got some more additions to make just to make it more robust. So we'll be working on that this week so we can get it fully buttoned up and out to the public.
All right. Well, watch out, everyone. Did we get any questions?
We did actually.
Okay.
The block size guys reached out and they were asking about being able to claim validated reporter awards for non-operator wallets apart from using the commands that they posted in there. Is there any plan to support that in the near future? Or is there any other way to do it besides just the commands?
Caleb, Spotty, I think that's a question for you guys now.
I mean, he wants a front end for it, I think.
Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, I'm definitely not opposed to adding it to the hub. I think, the hub right now is it's pretty minimal functionality. Ideally, we want to make it as robust as possible. So definitely, we'll take these feature requests and add them to the front end as they come. So thanks for using the front end, and yeah, I see no reason as if there is desire to have it on there. I think it's definitely worth building.
all right. Well, thank you, Ryan. Heard it here. It'll be in our to-do list for the future. And yeah, is there any other questions or is that it?
That was it.
All right. Well, stay safe out there and we'll see you guys next week.